brand continues to evolve the iconic Varsity Red legacy with a fresh, high-shine twist arriving in fall 2025. This new Air Jordan 1 Low release updates the classic black and red look with full patent leather construction, adding a sleek, modern edge that stands out on shelves and in collections. The silhouette, inspired by the Air Jordan 1 High 85, features glossy black uppers paired with vibrant red overlays on the swoosh, collar, and outsole. A crisp white midsole provides clean contrast and honors the brand's signature color blocking style. This bold design adds fresh appeal for sneaker fans looking for something different while keeping the roots intact. For purists, the return of the traditional leather version is set for summer 2026, ensuring options for every taste. Whether you're drawn to modern flair or classic heritage, Jordan Brand's evolving Varsity Red lineup offers something exciting for longtime collectors and a new generation of sneakerheads.